Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products. If you're looking for a new wig to enhance your look, today's review is for you. We're talking about the U-To-Do 28-inch deep wave lace front wig, a product that promises high-quality human hair, natural deep wave curls, and a sleek design. Let's see how it stacks up. The U-To-Do deep wave lace front wig comes in at 28 inches with a stunning deep wave pattern. It boasts a 13x6 HD transparent lace front, which is designed to provide a breathable, natural look with a little more flexibility for styling. The wig has 210% density, ensuring a fuller, more voluminous appearance, and it's made entirely of 100% human hair. The construction also includes a removable elastic band for a more secure fit, which is particularly helpful for beginners. The wig is versatile. It can be dyed or straightened to suit your style, and it comes with combs to further secure it in place. When it comes to testing, I've had the chance to wear this wig for a variety of occasions, and here's what I found. The 13x6 HD transparent lace was a standout feature. It really helps the wig blend seamlessly with the scalp, and it's breathable, which makes wearing it for long hours comfortable. The deep wave texture looks natural, and there was minimal shedding after several uses, which I always appreciate in human hair wigs. The 210% density makes the wig feel thick and luxurious, but it's not overly heavy. The only thing I would point out is that the wig does require some maintenance, particularly when it comes to keeping those waves defined and preventing frizz. However, if you're a beginner, the removable elastic band is a godsend, making it much easier to adjust. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the 210% density is impressive, delivering a full, voluminous look without feeling like it's too much. The 13x6 lace provides extra styling versatility, and the fact that this wig is made from 100% human hair means you get a product that feels natural and can be treated just like your real hair. On the downside, the wig can require more upkeep than a straight or less dense style, especially if you plan on wearing it regularly. Some may also find that the 13x6 lace can be a bit tricky to work with if you're new to lace front wigs. As for value for money, the U-To-Do deep wave lace front wig is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. But when you compare it to other wigs with similar features, like the high-density human hair and the versatile lace, it holds its ground. While there are cheaper alternatives, they often don't come with the same level of density or styling potential, so it may be worth the investment for those who want something more luxurious and long-lasting. When comparing this wig to others on the market, I'd say it stands out because of the 13x6 Swiss lace, which provides better breathability and flexibility than most standard lace fronts. Many wigs at this price point don't offer this kind of lace, and it makes a big difference in terms of comfort and the final look. Other wigs with similar features tend to be a bit more fragile or have lower density hair. As far as build quality goes, the materials used in this wig feel premium. The lace is durable, and the hair itself is soft and tangle-free. If you're worried about longevity, it's important to note that human hair wigs like this one tend to hold up better over time when maintained properly. While I haven't had to contact customer support for this product, U-To-Do has a good reputation in the wig community for providing reliable service, so I'd expect responsive assistance if needed. Now, is there a more affordable alternative? Yes, there are options with slightly less density or cheaper lace materials. If you're looking for something budget-friendly but still decent quality, you could consider wigs with 150% density or lace fronts with smaller lace areas, but they won't quite match the styling freedom and durability of this one. To wrap things up, the U-To-Do 28-inch deep wave lace front wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, full-bodied curly wig. Its main strengths lie in its natural look, breathable lace, and thick, luxurious hair. While it requires more upkeep than simpler styles, it's a great option for anyone who wants to invest in a long-lasting, high-density wig that delivers both style and comfort. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date on more beauty tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to grab this wig in the comments below. If you've tried it already or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep it beautyistic.